All successful TED Talks were rehearsed many times, trust me. Musicians rehearse before they play. Hello, my friend. How to rehearse for my speech. Do I have to rehearse? Of course, yeah. Of course. There is an instrument, a tool, very simple and obvious for great presentations. This tool is called practice. Practice, practice. All successful TED Talks were rehearsed many times, trust me. Musicians rehearse before they play. Actors rehearse before they act. Why don't we rehearse before we speak? When the audience thinks that a presentation looks rehearsed, the problem is not too much rehearse, it's too little rehearse. The speaker was there in the Valley of Weirdness. But we have to admit, rehearse gives us work. It's boring sometimes because you are repeating the same thing and you have no audience. But this is necessary. Choose people from your family, from your work, from your friends. Ask them to listen to your presentation. And after you give your speech, your lecture, ask them, did I use my time properly? Did my examples show what I was trying to explain through my words? Did the images explain the message to you? When you practice your presentation, you start to change nervousness for trust. And then from trust you go to enthusiasm. And Dale Carnegie says, we only have 4 contacts with people. We are evaluated and classified by 4 things: by what we do, by how we look, by what we say, and by how we say. And I ask you, how can you improve your lecture? Start your presentation here. Comment about your speech here. I want to watch your presentation. I want to read about your speech. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. How to start my speech. How to start my lecture. The start of your presentation is the most important part to capture people's attention.